Hey guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. I'm Mark, and today I'll be showing you how to draw a penguin. Grab yourself a sheet of paper, pencil, pen, some erasers and markers, and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do with my penguin is I'm going to draw the main body. So I'm going to draw this round, kind of like an egg shape, up and vertically on my page. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw this little round shape sideways, like a smaller sideways egg, right above there. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is we're going to draw the neck area. So I'm going to come down from the left, and I'm going to go and curve right about here. And we're going to come out. This is going to be the chest area. So we're going to come out, and then we're going to quickly turn down. And then we're going to come down, and as you get down here, we're going to hook over to the right quickly, just like that. So we'll come over to the right. And then, when you get back up here, we'll come over to the left, like this. This is going to be our beak area. So we're going to come and draw a line in the middle, and then we'll come up from there. The beak's going to be kind of narrow. It's not going to be a really wide beak. And we're going to come all the way almost back to our egg shape. And then from there, we'll round this and we'll kind of come up and we'll dip down somewhere about here and kind of round this back like that. Okay, now I'm going to draw the eye. So right where the beak is, if you come down from there, we'll curve this back up, and then we'll just maybe extend this a little bit longer. And then right off of this corner, come over to the right just a little bit, and then we can draw this like little eyeball there. Now I'm going to color around the eye, so we're going to have like a little patch around the eye. So I'm going to just do this shape. It kind of goes around the eye, and then it gets a little bit bigger over here, and then it comes back to the top like that. Okay, something like that. Now the back is going to have a little bit of a hump, so we're going to be wider here and narrower down here. So it's going to kind of be almost like a V shape that's going up like that. So the top's going to be a little bit wider. So if you want, you could start from down here, or you can come back up here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to join these together. So I'm going to hook this around, and then we're going to come out like this, and then we're going to curve down. And then you can just start adjusting your line depending on how far out or in you want to go. So we'll just find that right there. And then I'm going to come in like this. And now we're going to have the leg. So this leg over here is going to come like this. And then it's going to just kind of come straight down almost. And then we're going to have like the little feathery shapes down like that. And I'm going to draw one of the legs right here, one of the feet. So I'm going to hook a line over to the left, and then we'll have these like three little pointy claw shapes. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and then this is going to kind of come up and hook back up like this. Now if you want to make some adjustments, if you think it's too big or too small, you can go and just erase some stuff, just like that. Now once you're happy, you can go and do the other foot. So I'm just going to come and draw the heel so that we know how far away from this toe. So if you start with the lower part, like this part right here, over here, then you'll make sure that you don't run into the other foot. So we'll draw the one claw right there, and then we'll work our way up this time. We'll do the second one, and then the third one, and that'll kind of go up like that. So we have our two little feet. we can draw our fins. So we're going to have 2 of them, and we're going to come right about here where our body is. So if you draw a really light line, that'll kind of line these up. Now, go inside of your body right about here. Now, if you draw a small little oval shape like this, then what we can do is we can come outside of the body. So take this line, come out of the body, and you don't want to go too low. You want to stop right about here. Okay, so we want this fin to come out like this, and then it's going to kind of taper down and stop right about here. Okay, and then I'm going to curve this up like that, and then this will kind of cut back like that and be the top. And then this will be kind of like the lower part, and it'll just like dive in like this. Okay, so that's one, and then we'll go all the way to the other side. We drew that line in here, so now we can kind of line that up, and we can come out with this one and come down a little bit. This one might be a little bit higher, so if this one ends here, maybe this one ends a little bit higher, and then we'll just kind of come up with that, and I'll just kind of curve in like this. Now I'm going to draw this little shape that's going to discolor the top of the head. We have this like black split, so we're going to come and round this like that. It's going to come up, and now it's going to come down right around here, and it's going to come in front of the fin. So we're going to come down, and then this will just like hook into the fin, and then down the back we can draw. So this kind of comes up and it'll kind of curve back, and then we'll see it back like this, and then it'll line up right about there. Now we can draw a little tail for our penguin. So we'll come right where this leg is, we'll come up a bit, almost like if this part here kept going and then it popped back up over here. So we'll kind of do this, and we'll draw these little zigzaggy shapes, just a few of them, and then this will come out like this, and we don't want to hit this fin right here. Okay, so try to stay shy of that, and then right about here we can curve this and come down and stop right about there. And then we'll have a 2-color tail as well, so we'll come down and do something like this. And then I think that is it. So if you want to make any subtle adjustments, you can do that now. So I'll probably just round my head a little bit of a softer curve over there, something like that. And then once you like everything, you can grab an ink pen or marker and outline your penguin. Now use your eraser and erase all those lines that we used, all those guidelines. Just go ahead and erase all of those. Okay, if yours didn't turn out quite like this, it's okay. Just go down in the description, click the link, download the digital copy of the coloring page, and you can print that out and have some fun coloring in. Well, there you go, everybody. I hope you enjoyed drawing this penguin with me. I had a lot of fun, and if you had fun too, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I do videos every weekday, and you don't want to miss the next one. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.